I need your advice about Kenmore Elite refrigerator troubleshooting.
The F1 error usually means the control board freezes up and the freezer doesn't. You can try power cycling the fridge to fix it, but you'll probably lose all the food in the unit.
I never thought that my fridge would be so advanced I have to reboot it like a PC.
The Kenmore Elite fridges also have problems with all the drinks next to the ice maker freezing.
You can solve that by leaving the space around the ice maker and its dispenser.
Kenmore Elite refrigerators made by LG have a known problem with early failures of their evaporator coils and condensers.
That would cause things to stop freezing too, though a leak by the ice maker might be to blame for the things in the door freezing.
Their water lines tend to break, causing leaks and extra ice where the water flooded and froze. That means you might mistake dripping down the side of the fridge for a refrigerant leaks condensate when it is actually runoff from the ice maker's water feed.
Until the defrost heater kicks in and the fridge actually floods the floor because the freezer drain cannot handle the volume.
Anytime you get flooding like that, expect the control board to start acting up. You'll probably need to replace the control board if the fridge can maintain temperatures or repeatedly airs out.
I'll have to shell out to pay for a new control board.
This fridge can also have a problem with ice building up behind the freezer panel.
It's a freezer, you want it to freeze things.
When ice builds up behind the control panel, that's due to fans failing, not by design.
The fans themselves or the fan motor?
Expect to replace the fan motor more often than the fans, but the fans themselves do break too, sometimes.
Motors go out a lot by use and abuse.
Their ice makers have problems too, whether because the rubber around the door dispenser came off or the thing is frozen shut depends on your situation.
Add an ice maker to any model fridge and the reliability goes down. Consumer Reports buying guides show that drop in reliability every year, for every make and model.
If the Kenmore Elite refrigerator's ice maker stops working, it may be because the water and ice dispenser fill up and then freeze, literally freezing all the components in place.
That would be a new type of failure. I suppose turning off the freezer and airing it out fixes the problem.
That thaws out the block of ice, but the water dispenser's control board may start to fail, endlessly cycling because the controls are messed up.
The first thing to try is rebooting the fridge. The second is calling for service.